I look rough. I look dusty. I had COVID. Your girl's been going through it. My other main part of this video is I'm gonna show you guys a new type of wig. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this wig myself with my own money. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do this sexy wig. How to go from this to this in no time. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Tahnee Campbell. I'm a content creator. I talk about health, fitness, mental illness. Today, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a company called, y'all don't judge me, Nadula hair. Okay, it says be confident, be bold, be you. First of all, I love the fact that they give me a box. That's super appreciative. I like boxes. Y'all, not only did they give me the box, they gave me so much goodies. Okay, first of all, I have a bag. I guess it's like a headscarf. Sure. I got a sleep bonnet. Just a little bonnet, nothing on it. That rhymes. Just a little bonnet there, nothing on it. And yes, y'all, I disinfected everything before I put it on my head. Especially the hair. I got another cute little bag. It's like a mesh bag, drawstring. I got a wig cap, which comes in so handy. I always need those things, and I never have them. I got like 6 of these eyelashes, and I got these cute clips. Okay, y'all can never have enough clips. I love clips. I'm obsessed with clips, so I'm super happy about this gift. Simple things, guys. Simple things make me happy. Clips are one of them. Believe it or not, I'm one of those people who actually get, if I get socks for Christmas, I'm super happy. I love socks. Headband. Nice little leopard print headband. It could go with a wig. I wasn't lying. There's like 6 of these here. Wig extension. To put inside your wig if you wanted to make it like more adjustable, like tighter and stuff. This one's a little different, but same concept. This one's more like a cheetah print. The other one was more leopard. And it came in another fruit bag like this. Okay, so that was, I think, everything except the hair. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was a 16-inch that I got. And I actually really like it. This is, if I'm not mistaken, it's 16-inch Jerry Curly. Okay, now let me show y'all the interesting part, okay? Y'all seeing how my hair is all braided up. I did not do a leave out. I did that for a reason. You know, sometimes you guys get hair like for U parts or whatever, and it looks more natural when you leave out your hair. This one, but sometimes, like, unless you have the exact same match, which is very rare, it's not gonna blend well. So sometimes you just, and literally sometimes you just have no time and you just need to snap it on and go. So this is why I bought this V part. It's this new technology. It's in the shape of a V, hence why they call it a V part. It's basically the same concept as a U part, only this one, you could actually do it without leaving out hair. And if you do leave out hair, just use a tiny little bit. Okay, so the concept is simple. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 clips up front. They open up and snap, so there's no coming out, and it's not like pointy and prickly. It's actually super comfortable. There's another one right here if you need the extra support. Another clip. There's 2 clips at the sides. You don't have to use all of them, guys. You can, but you don't have to. And there's one at the back. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. There's about 7 clips in here. Your wig ain't going nowhere, sis. So there's straps here. And if you don't want to use it, just tuck it in. So I actually wanted to see what it looked like brushed out. So if you see this having 2 slightly different textures, you will see why. Because one side I actually did not touch. So I didn't even show you guys. Hold on. You see at the ends, I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like a net right here. Okay, so that's why it's made to look nice. So I'm just gonna push it in, and then snap it. Hold on, you're gonna have to do the snap. There we go. So those 4 are snapped in place. They ain't going anywhere. Like I said, there's a couple more. This one on the side I could put if I want to. See, I told y'all I have 2 different sides. This side I completely brushed out, but I'm gonna show you because I wanted to show you. A lot of people ask, could it revert your curls? So, sorry. And by the way, this is freshly washed hair. I washed it before I put it on. I wash all my hair. People ask me, does the hair stink? To me, like I said, I'm giving a completely honest review. To me, hair smells like hair. I've been selling hair for years, so I've gotten the feel and smell of all kind of hair. Yeah, somebody's gonna laugh with the way I said hair. I've gotten the feel of all kind of hair. So to me, hair smells like hair. I know what hair smells like. Does it have that corn chip smell? No, it does not. And if you be buying hair that smells like corn chips, baby, don't buy it. Return the sender. It's bad. Why would you do that to yourself? But yes, it's just my personal preference. I wash my hair before I ever put it on my head, especially freaking now. Okay, so like I said, I combed it out. Clearly that was a bad idea. But you know, sometimes people like that puffiness. But I'm going to bring my curls back to life, and you guys are gonna see it with me. So you'll see this side is pretty much untouched. I just ran my fingers through it. And see, honestly, like you can see my part. And it does not look fake. It looks actually very natural. So if anybody asks me, oh, is that your real hair? Yes, girl, yes, it is. It's my real hair. You wanna ask me that like you don't know the answer? Yes, it's my real hair, boo. I'm gonna use, this is actually bomb.com. I love their Pro V Gold series. I tried it like in my real hair, and because I'm transitioning back to natural, trying to. So yeah, this is Pro V Gold series curl awakening spray. It's infused with argan oil. It refreshes and revitalizes curls. So I just sprayed some. I didn't even put any water. I mean, I washed it, but and I didn't wash it with anything fancy because I'm not finna use my Pantene Pro V shampoo and conditioner to wash this. No, I'm good. I used Ozzy. I just did a co-wash. I used Gentle Mild shampoo or soap, whatever. Just a slight bit of it, and then I used some conditioner and let it air dry. So as you guys can see, you guys seen it for yourself. There's no camera tricks here. Does it revitalize your curls? Yes, baby, it does. So if you want, you can put this bone straight and then get your curls back. Obviously, there's always a risk of heat damage depending on how high you put your heat or how often you do it, just like with your real hair. But this is some good quality hair. I like this. I really like this. Super lightweight, super comfortable. I really, really like this. And I love the fact that if I'm late or if I'm running late and I gotta get somewhere and I don't feel like messing with my hair to try to match texture, because boo, my texture is My texture is not like this, mamas.